Whoops, where are you going? Whoops. Don't just crawl. Where are you going?
In the Water's World segment tonight, as we reported yesterday, the gap between the rich and the poor in America is staggering, and it all has to do with education or lack thereof. If you have a college degree, you're likely to prosper in this country, but if you don't, things will be much tougher.
Look at you walking. Maddie, look at Mommy. Where are you going? Can't see you going over there. It's dark. Come back over here. Come on. Come back over here. Come on. Come on. Whoop. Come on. Whoop. Stand up. Come here. Good job. Oh, good job, buddy. Come here. Come on. Where are you going? What do you have, doorstop? Don't hit yourself on the head.